This is a quick video. If you happen to have the Audi keychain, I believe it's 04 to 09 uses this. I think they called it W7. I forgot what they call it. But anyway, you can change the battery, but at the same time, you have to reprogram it. And that's what everyone's leaving out. So, that's my doggy. He says hello. It's a doggy-approved keychain. Now, I got to try to balance the phone for a second so I can show you how to quickly... I'm just balancing it on something. Okay, so this keychain does not have the whole metal thing that we used to go around it. But if it did, you put this in here, and you pop this open. Is what you do. I should have a bigger screwdriver. There it is. It popped open, okay? And you just pop that open. And it comes back. You know what? It's in there tight. Now, this is the battery, 2032. Take the battery out. And 2032, it goes back in there just like that. Remember the smaller part, or positive, facing you. And you put it back in. Make sure your contacts are clean. You could clean them. If they're not clean, you could clean them with like a little alcohol on a Q-tip. Not too much. Don't get it in there. Put this in, make sure the battery seats where it's supposed to seat in there, and just snap it back in. It's pretty easy to do. Okay, now make sure the red light lights. Okay, see the red light lighting? Okay, now here's the problem. Now watch what happens. So now here's where I got to show you how to program this thing. Okay, now we're going to go to the car. And I actually just got this car from my brother. So I don't know all that much about it, but I know enough to do this. Now, see the light lighting? It's not locking or unlocking, okay? The trunk is not opening, okay? So, you go in the car, and with the unlock button pushed, this last one, you put the key on, hold the button, put the key on, and hold it. Give it like 5 or 10 seconds. Hold it. Oh man, the radio's on. I hope this doesn't put me on a copyright infringement. Okay, now it's flashing quick, so it's telling me something, I think. Let's see. Now we take it out. Yep. There it goes. Okay, look. Okay, watch. Just don't, and look, watch. See? Now let's try the trunk. There you go. Trunk unlocked. Okay, so that's how that works. You know, you just saw me do that whole thing, and that's what the people do leave out. So don't forget, put the key in the ignition, turn it on, hold the bottom button. You'll see this thing flashing fast. When it does that, you're good to go. Turn the key off. Everything functions again. And the funny thing is, I got it from my brother like that, and I guess he didn't know himself. So I will send him this video. Hey, do me a favor, like and subscribe. You never know what you're going to get in my little videos.